Joanne Barbara Jahnke. She was born October the 25th, 1932. Charles Frederick Jahnke, born June the 18th, 1934. His wife was Carol Ann Gould. She was born October the 24th, 1936, and they were married October 13th, 1956. Leon Patrick Jahnke, he was born March 17th, 1936. Well, hi there, Mom, Sam and Billy. This is Sam and Billy's family: Gary, Steve, Alicia, and Judy. Well, here's a happy group. We have Sam, Steve, Billy, Charlie, Joanne, Mom, Margaret, Carol Ann, and Jan. Wow, we have Mom, Grandma, and Great-Grandma all in this picture. It's Jeff and Lou and Scott and Mom and Aaron and Jerry. Here is another picture with 4 generations, only we've added Rachel Elizabeth, who is Jeff's daughter. I apologize to Joanne's family, but I don't seem to have any pictures of her children. But here are their names: Tim, Kathy, Tom, Terry, Barb, Cheryl, and Pam. Here is Carol Ann and Chuck and his family: Jay, Eric, and Dale. These 3 are Leon's children. That is David, Nancy, and Sammy. And we're missing Joey. I hope you have enjoyed this audio and visual presentation of Samuel and Gertrude Jahnke as we showed you some of their descendants and their ancestors.